Africa is set to make a major leap in artificial intelligence with the establishment of its first-ever AI factory, thanks to a strategic partnership between Cassava Technologies, a digital infrastructure giant founded by Zimbabwean billionaire Strive Masiyiwa, and Nvidia, the global leader in AI computing. This initiative, expected to go live in South Africa by June 2025, will provide cutting-edge supercomputing power, AI software, and AI as a service with planned expansions across Egypt, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. The AI factory will help African enterprises, governments, researchers, and startups develop and deploy AI solutions on the continent, reducing reliance on foreign cloud services. This move positions Africa as an active participant in the AI revolution, rather than just a consumer of AI technology. But what exactly is an AI factory, and why does this matter? An AI factory is a specialized infrastructure designed to handle the entire lifecycle of AI development, from data collection and processing to model training and deployment. An AI factory provides a centralized, high-performance computing environment optimized for AI-driven applications. The term was coined by Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, who described it as the equivalent of an industrial factory for AI models. Just as a traditional factory transforms raw materials into finished products, an AI factory processes raw data and turns it into intelligent AI models that can be deployed across industries. An AI factory is built on three fundamental components that work together to create a powerful AI development ecosystem. First, AI supercomputing power is essential for handling the enormous computational demands of artificial intelligence. The AI factory in Africa will leverage Nvidia's advanced GPUs to process vast amounts of data at high speeds, drastically cutting down the time needed to train AI models. This high-performance computing capability is crucial for businesses, researchers, and developers looking to create and refine AI-driven solutions efficiently. In addition to computing power, the AI factory will rely on AI software and data infrastructure and fiber optic connectivity and energy efficiency to maximize its impact. Cassava Technologies will integrate Nvidia's AI software and cloud architecture, ensuring a seamless and scalable environment for AI training and deployment. Meanwhile, its 100,000 kilometers fiber optic network will provide high-speed, low-latency connectivity, while energy-efficient data centers will support sustainable AI adoption. These capabilities will allow African enterprises, startups, and researchers to train and deploy AI models locally, eliminating the high costs and regulatory challenges associated with outsourcing computing power to overseas cloud platforms. Africa has long struggled with severe computing shortages, limiting the ability of local AI talent to participate in the global AI revolution. Despite its vast potential, the continent accounts for just 0.1% of the world's computing capacity, leaving only 5% of African AI researchers with access to the advanced computational resources required for complex AI training. As a result, many AI models used in Africa rely on foreign data sets, often leading to biases and inadequate solutions that fail to address the continent's unique challenges fully. Cassava Technologies' AI factory aims to solve these issues by providing Africa-based AI infrastructure, reducing costs, and empowering local innovation. Strive Masiyiwa, the pioneer of this initiative, is a Zimbabwean billionaire, entrepreneur, and philanthropist renowned for revolutionizing Africa's telecommunications and digital infrastructure. He is widely regarded as one of Africa's most influential tech entrepreneurs, with a strong presence in telecommunications, fintech, and digital infrastructure. As the founder of Econet Wireless and Liquid Intelligent Technologies, he has played a pivotal role in expanding Africa's connectivity, building the continent's largest fiber optic network across 14 countries. Its latest venture, Cassava Technologies, is dedicated to advancing AI, cloud computing, and digital payments, with the AI factory being his most ambitious initiative to date. Masiyiwa has emphasized the importance of developing Africa's digital infrastructure to ensure the continent benefits from the fourth industrial revolution. He believes that the AI factory will create an enabling environment for businesses, startups, and researchers by providing the necessary AI resources and infrastructure to scale innovation. Nvidia, a global leader in AI computing, is a key partner in this initiative, bringing its expertise in GPUs and AI software to power applications in various industries, including gaming, cloud computing, self-driving cars, and healthcare AI. The company recognizes the growing role of AI in addressing major challenges across agriculture, healthcare, energy, and financial services in Africa. According to Job Zuiderveld, Vice President for Europe, the Middle East, and Africa at Nvidia, AI is already helping innovators tackle some of the continent's biggest issues while unlocking new opportunities. As an Nvidia cloud partner, Cassava Technologies is expected to play a crucial role in accelerating AI adoption and development in Africa by providing the necessary computing infrastructure and software. AI factories have the potential to revolutionize multiple industries in Africa by providing the computational power needed to develop and deploy AI-driven solutions. In agriculture, AI models can analyze satellite imagery and soil data to predict droughts, optimize irrigation, and prevent crop diseases, enabling small-scale farmers to improve yields and reduce waste. Similarly, in healthcare, AI-powered medical imaging can detect diseases like tuberculosis and cancer early, leading to better treatment outcomes. Additionally, AI-driven chatbots and remote diagnostics can help bridge the gap in medical access, especially in rural areas where healthcare services are limited. Beyond these sectors, AI can also transform financial services by enhancing fraud detection and making digital transactions more secure, while AI-powered credit scoring can help unbanked populations gain access to loans. In education, AI-driven personalized learning tools can analyze student performance, tailoring educational content to individual needs, while language models can translate materials into local African languages, increasing accessibility. Moreover, AI can play a crucial role in climate change mitigation and sustainability, enabling governments and organizations to predict extreme weather events and optimize energy consumption through smart energy management systems. By applying AI across these critical sectors, Africa's AI factory can drive economic growth, innovation, and digital independence. While the AI factory is a groundbreaking step toward Africa's technological advancement, significant challenges remain in fully harnessing its potential. One of the most pressing issues is talent development. Africa needs more AI engineers, data scientists, and researchers who can leverage this infrastructure effectively. While there has been progress in AI education, more initiatives are needed to train and retain local talent. Additionally, policy and regulation play a crucial role in ensuring responsible AI adoption. Governments across the continent must establish AI-friendly policies that balance innovation with data privacy, security, and ethical concerns. Without the right regulatory framework, the rapid growth of AI could lead to unforeseen risks, including biases in AI models and data misuse. Despite these challenges, Africa's first AI factory represents a turning point for the continent's digital economy. By localizing AI infrastructure, this initiative significantly reduces Africa's reliance on foreign cloud platforms, making AI development more affordable and accessible. This shift empowers African businesses, researchers, and entrepreneurs to build AI-driven solutions that address local challenges in agriculture, healthcare, finance, and beyond. With continued investment, strategic policymaking, and workforce development, the AI factory could position Africa as a key player in the global AI landscape, driving homegrown innovations rather than solely consuming technology developed elsewhere. Your perspective matters. What do you make of Africa's first AI factory? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa Wealth and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.